Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll see the tasty recipe of red chicken gravy. So please do watch the full video, subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you. So now let's make the green gravy with a mixture of garlic and coriander leaves, onions and tomatoes chopped with menthol leaves, which is called as pudina in Hindi, and with fenugreek seeds, it's also called as methi, sunflower oil, pudina and onion frying, little bit of table salt, green gravy which we made it before, red chili powder which we made it as gravy, methi leaves, tomato, Savita Bafat masala which is available in the grocery shop, and we use it while doing chicken gravy. Now add the chicken after frying masala. Keep stirring it until the masala gets nicely mixed with the chicken. Now it's ready to eat. Wow, the smell looks damn good, bro. Chicken was too tasty, and especially with the idli, it tasted very delicious. So guys, you also have a try in your home. So thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.